1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, there are 5 amazing auto rickshaw. There are 5 auto rickshaw. So let's learn color with them. It's black and yellow color auto rickshaw. Wow, it's very nice auto rickshaw. It's three-wheeler, black and yellow color auto rickshaw. Three-wheeler 1, 2, 3. There are three-wheeler auto rickshaw. Wow, it's pink color, white and pink color auto rickshaw. It's white. There are white wheeler, 3 white wheeler, 1, 2, 3. Pink, white. Okay, bye bye. Green and yellow auto rickshaw, black wheeler. 1, 2, 3. 3 black wheeler auto rickshaw. Okay, bye bye. Wow, it's nice auto rickshaw. It's three-wheeler also. It's also three-wheeler. Wow, it's nice wheeler. 1, 2, 3. It's three-wheeler auto rickshaw. Okay, it's very nice. It's nice auto rickshaw. Bye bye. Wow, it's also three-wheeler and black color auto rickshaw. Black, yellow, black. 1, 2, 3. Wow, three-wheeler auto rickshaw. Na 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 na. Okay, bye bye.